physically fit woman, nice, drink, fantastic. Mix your body out in the big tight.
Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. Before I forget, please try and get your sun cream protection. This is very important so that you can apply it each time you apply your cream on your skin. You need your sunscreen protection to help protect and also prevent any hyperpigmentation or sunburn on your skin. Okay, so try and get one. Okay, don't apply too much of the sun cream on your skin. Just apply little quantity because too much of that sun cream protection also darkens the skin. Beauty, welcome to my channel. As you can see, we just finished wrapping another batch of orders. I need to make whitening body butter. I just want to show you guys how I make my whitening body butter. Someone asked me and I'm going to show you what I do. In here already melted is my cocoa butter. I don't use the double boiler method. Do not use microwave. Some people use microwave. I don't, because I just prefer the normal double boiling method, which also help to preserve some of the vital component or ingredient in the product so that you can gain the benefit of that oil on your skin. In here I've got mango butter, shea butter, and coconut oil. Yeah, just little percent of the coconut oil. Also, I'm going to be using my Kojic, Veet Gold Kojic oil. I'm going to be using the lemon grass oil, which is amazing. Lemongrass, you need to google the benefits. I'm not going to go in details on that. Also, I'm going to be using the avocado oil. I'm going to be using, sometimes I don't, it's optional. I hardly use the almond oil because most people are allergic to, some people are allergic to nuts, so you have to be careful when you're doing this. You need to state it in your ingredient description, okay? But I'm just showing you, if you want to use almond oil, you can use it. If you don't want to use it, I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to use this. So one thing I do is that when I start with my oil, I first of all double boil the cocoa butter, then I add this into it and the oil. Oil has their percentage. When you want to do double boiling method, they have their percentage, so you don't want to overeat to destroy the vital component in it. So yeah, I'm not going to go, I'm just going to pour this in, then measure out the oils in it, then come back. I've measured out the oil, which include the Veet Gold Kojic and the lemongrass and avocado, and also grapeseed oil. I'm using the grapeseed oil. So yeah, so, and also I'm going to be using my Avocado oil, then vitamin E as my preservative to help increase the shelf life, because this, I'm just using only oils, no water introduced. So once you're doing an anhydrous product, you don't really need to preserve it. Yes, there's a more advanced state that you need to preserve, and the preservative name varies. There's a name and a preservative name that you can use, but in essence, if you're using just oil, it's best for you to just have the vitamin E. And yeah, what else do I want to say? Then don't forget to add your glycolic propylene glycol to help bind the whole component to make it more active and work more on your skin. Finally, I will be using the arrowroot, and also I'm going to add Kaolin clay, little quantity of it, because we are in summer, just to harden it a little bit. I don't like using beeswax or any of these synthetic products. Beeswax is synthetically produced, which means since I'm making just an organic lightening body butter, you just have to be careful what you introduce into it, okay? Yeah. Also, I'm going to be using this at the coolant stage. Use use of body butter on the skin is very, very essential. I will advise you or recommend that you incorporate this in your skincare routine. For instance, if you're used to using a product or cream January to December, in between those months, try to incorporate body butter. It's very good on the skin. Say in the month of April or June or during summer or winter, it helps a lot to help hydrate your skin. We have different type of body butter. I've got the one that doesn't lighten up your skin, that will just help hydrate your skin, help give you that nourishing benefits onto your skin. And you have the one that is whitening. You got the whitening body butter that will help maintain your skin tone, help brighten up your skin tone, that will also help hydrate your skin tone to prevent it from dehydration, to help glows and help keep your skin moist at all time. And yeah, it depends. You need to check the ingredient in it. My body butter is okay, bestseller on my website, and it sells out so quick because it's made up of many nourishing ingredients and nourishing oil. It doesn't contain any of this synthetic bee wax or any wax in it. And it's amazing because one of the key ingredients also I use in it is kaolin clay, which helps to exfoliate. It's good for oily combination. It helps to reduce excess oil, helps to brighten your skin tone. Yes. And another nourishing ingredient in it, we have lightening ingredient also added into it, and will help a lot as well. So it's good for you to incorporate or implement body butter in your skincare routine. I use body butter at the moment. I use body butter on my skin because I want to get that beneficial nutrient into my skin, you know, because inside body butter you've got amazing body butter. Mango butter is amazing, shea butter is amazing, and also you have coconut, but I use in little quantity. You can use other nourishing oil, like you got avocado body butter. Yeah, we have it. So you can use all this soft nice butter. It also has in it cocoa butter, which is amazing. This is a solid form of butter, which is good. So I will advise you to incorporate body butter in your skincare routine to add another glow to your skin. Okay, and yeah, for those of you got lots of questions from people asking about dark and knuckle. This period, I know a lot of people have experienced a lot of dark and knuckle because we tend to be washing our hands in warm water and in salt water, and also applying alcohol hand gel on our hand. So this kind of can react with any hand cream that we use or hand product that we use. So my advice is apply your hand lotion at night. You wash your hands. When you wash your hands, make sure you use a lukewarm water or mild water or cool water to wash your hands, you know. And then when you apply your hand lotion, do not apply alcohol on it.
Physically fit, physically fit, woman physically fit.